Nearly 30 million Americans have gone 3.5 years without having to make a student loan payment. They'll now have to start again. Maybe you're one of them. So if you've been alerted about that payment restart deadline, have no fear. You can move and make some money for free. Well, if you're willing to move and purchase a home, that state may pay down your student loan debt. Kansas, Maine, Maryland among them. But reading the fine print is very, very important. Let's turn to NewsNation business contributor Gary B. Smith to see if this is smart. Good morning to you, Gary. Okay, let's look at Kansas real quick. Okay, the Department of Commerce says they will reimburse you over 5 years, $15,000, but you must live in a county that is designated as a rural opportunity zone. That means you'll be living in the middle of nowhere, I suspect, kind of like where I grew up. Is this a good financial idea?
At first I thought, wow, this sounds really good. And then I guess, Adrienne, either the libertarian in me took over or that old guy that says, get off my lawn took over. I think this is dumb.
What?
I have two daughters about a little younger than you, I guess about Marky's age, I suppose. They came to me and they said, Dad, I have about 70,000 in student loans. So my game plan is to buy a house. But forget about being in Kansas. Let's just buy a house and take on more debt so I can get this. All right, what do you get in Kansas? 25,000 off over 5 years or something like that?
15,000, not even 25. 15,000.
And I think in Maryland, you get $40,000 off. And my other question is, other than being the dumb, and maybe I need to calm down a little bit, is where is this money coming from?
That's my question.
Is it now the states are in the real estate business? As you can tell, I'm not a fan.
You're a curmudgeon about it, Gary B. Smith. You're a curmudgeon-y man. But
I am.
But
yes.
No, admittedly so, and I think it's interesting. But here's my question: are taxpayers the ones footing the bill for people to move into their communities because they need to grow these towns because not enough people live there and they want to make sure that they're enough income earners?
Well, absolutely. I mean, the state just doesn't come up with the money on their own. And even worse, let's just say you live in one of those rural parts of Kansas for, whatever reason, and you paid off your student loan. You have someone coming in next door and says, oh, yeah, I just moved in. But guess what? I get like $15,000 off my bill. I like roll my eyes like, what the heck is going on here?
So you're putting yourself in the shoes empathetically. Besides saying this is dumb, you're putting yourself in the shoes of the neighbors who actually live there, maybe grew up there, and are thinking, well, where's my incentive for staying here with y'all?
Exactly.
Real quick, if people are struggling to repay their student loan, is taking on a mortgage the smartest idea?
The average person, I wonder, Adrienne, how many times have you moved in your life so far? I'm guessing.
Oh, boy. I mean, I moved every 6 months, like 4 times over the past 3 years.
Even Marky, at her young age, has probably moved, like 4 or 5 times, right?
How old do you think I am?
Marky's only 17.
I just got my driver's license, Gary B., and I am taking it for a joyride.
I was being kind, actually.
I know.
Yeah, because she's not that young.
But my point is, the average person's going to move 11 times in their lifetime.
Oh, I got that beat.
On a house, just the closing costs alone, the expenses, then trying to sell the house. It's just, I don't know. I don't like this.
Let's wrap it up in a big bow and just say Gary B. Smith says incentives that states have to give people free student loan repayment are dumb.
This is dumb.
That's the new headline. Gary B., always good to see you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.